Hola todos! Welcome to Everyday Spanish with Stephanie. Do you know what's amazing about Spanish? Sometimes all you need is one word to say exactly what you mean. Today I'm going to teach you 20 powerful Spanish commands that will have you sounding more like a native speaker in no time. But before we dive in, let me tell you about AirLearn, my favorite language learning app. If you're serious about mastering Spanish, AirLearn is your best friend. It's transformed how thousands of students learn Spanish, and I use it myself every day. You'll find special exercises for all the commands that we're going to learn in this video and so much more. Let's start with some commands that you're going to use every day. First, we have siéntate. This means sit down. Listen carefully. Siéntate. In terms of pronunciation, think of the English word si, add an N, and then tate. But make sure that T is soft. You don't want to feel very much air on your hand if you're saying it. Tate versus tate. Do you hear that difference? Siéntate. When you're talking to a group, you'll turn that last te into se. Siéntase. So here's some examples. One person, siéntate por favor. Sit down, please. But to a group, siéntense todos. Sit down, everyone. All right, our next one is párate, which means stand up. Párate. Stress that first syllable, pa. And same thing with the T sound. You don't want to, and same thing with that T sound from before, you don't want to feel a lot of air on your hand when you're saying pa. Pa versus pa. Párate. For a group, páranse. If you're just talking to one person, say párate, stand up. If you're in like a class and want everybody to stand up, you would say párense, like this. Páranse para el himno. Stand up for the anthem. All right, moving on to number 3. Vámonos. Say it with me. Vámonos. Now you might notice that the B and the V sound in Spanish are very, very similar. That's actually not the distinction like we have in English. Even though this word starts with a V, it's gonna sound really similar to the way that the B is pronounced in Spanish. So watch how I say this. Vámonos, not vámonos. It's just a very slight difference. This single word means let's go. It's kind of like saying vamos, but with a little more urgency. You can use it when you're running late and want everybody to hurry, vámonos. Or you can use it when you're ready to leave somewhere, like vámonos ya, let's go now. All right, our next one is vete. Vete. It's simple but powerful. It means go away. For a group, it changes to váyanse. You can use this one when you're feeling a little angry at someone and want them to leave you alone. Vete. You can also use it in a more polite, caring way, like if you're trying to tell someone to vete con cuidado, go carefully. For number 5, sígueme. This means follow me. Sígueme. For a group, it would be síganme. Síganme. It's perfect if you're giving somebody a tour, like sígueme por favor, follow me please. Or in an emergency, you might say sígueme rápido, follow me fast. Okay, now let's learn some commands that can help you manage some situations. Espérate. Wait. Espérate. Stress the P, the second syllable. The group form would be espérense. You can use it for like casually telling someone to wait. Espérate, wait. Or maybe even in a more urgent situation. Espérate un momento. Okay, next we have cállate. Cállate. But remember, the double L is pronounced like a Y. Cállate. To a group, say cállense. It's perfect for when you're in the library. Cállate por favor. Be quiet, please. Or if you're maybe you're in a movie theater and everyone's talking, cállense todos, be quiet everyone. Next we have relájate. This one means relax. That J that you see there in the word is pronounced like the English H sound. Relájate. For a group, just change it to relájense. It's great for tense situations where you have to remind someone to relax. Relájate. Or in a classroom setting, before a test, you might say, relájense todo. Relax, everyone. It's gonna be okay. Number 9 is despiértate. This one means wake up. Watch how I say it. Despiértate. That R should roll just a little bit. Despiértate. For a group form, you say despiértense. In the morning, this one might be used all the time. Despiértate ya, wake up already. Or if you're in a class and your buddy falls asleep next to you, you might shake him and say, despiértate, estás dormido, you're asleep. But if you want somebody to go asleep, you might use this next phrase. Duérmete, go to sleep. Duérmete. That U and E next to each other kind of makes a W sound. Duérmete. To multiple people, just change it to duérmanse. It's perfect for bedtime. Just say duérmete ya, or maybe nap time. Duérmete un ratito. Okay, now we're gonna learn some commands that help you navigate spaces. Súbete. This means get in or climb up. Súbete. I want you to stress that first syllable. súbete. For a group form, just say súbanse. You can use it when you're getting in a car, súbete al carro. Or if you're trying to get your friend to run up the stairs a little faster, just say súbete, rápido. All right, let's move on to the next one. We have bájate, which means get down. Bájate. Remember that J is going to make an English H sound. To a group, it changes to bájense. It's perfect for exiting a vehicle. You can say bájate aquí, or maybe you want to tell someone to get down from something that's dangerous. Bájate de ahí, es peligroso. Next we have súbele, which means turn it up. Súbele. It's a little different than súbete because it's used for objects, not things, and therefore there's no plural form of it. There's no plural form. You might use it if you want somebody to turn up the music volume. Súbele, me encanta esta canción. Turn it up. I love this song. Or maybe you need somebody to turn up the TV. Súbele, no escucho. Turn it up. I don't hear it. You also have bájale, which means turn it down or lower it. Bájale. Since it refers to objects or intensity, there's no plural form of this one either. If the music's too loud, you can say bájale el volumen, turn down the volume. Or maybe you need the temperature turned down because it's really hot. You can say bájale el aire acondicionado, turn down the air conditioning. And next we have muévete, which means move. Muévete. There's that UE combination again that kind of sounds like a W. Muévete. The group form is muévanse. You can use it in a crowd. Muévete, por favor. Or even when you're dancing. Muévete al ritmo. Move to the rhythm. All right, these next set of commands are going to help you manage behaviors and states. Tranquilízate. This means to calm down. It sounds like this. Tranquilízate. It's actually the longest word that we've gone over today. To say it to a group, you would say tranquilícense. Use it during a stressful situation. Tranquilízate, todo estará bien. Or you can use it in an argument. Tranquilízate, podemos resolverlo. Next we have apúrate, which means hurry up. Apúrate. For a group, you would say apúrense. It's perfect to use when you're running late, like this. Apúrate, el bus viene. Hurry up, the bus is coming. Or maybe it's a late school morning. Apúrate, vas a llegar tarde. Hurry up, you're going to arrive late. Cámbiate. This means to change, like change your clothes. Cámbiate. For a group, you would say cámbiense. You can use it before going out somewhere. Cámbiate, vamos a salir. Go change, we're gonna leave. Or you can use it after you get wet or something spills on your clothes. Cámbiate la ropa mojada. Change the wet clothes. Next we have levántate. This means to get up. Levántate. There's a strong emphasis on the van. For a group, you would say levántense. Perfect for a morning wake up. Levántate, ya es tarde. Get up, it's late. Or maybe after someone falls down. Levántate, no pasa nada. Get up, it's okay. Vuélvete. This means turn around. Vuélvete. Do you see that UE again? It's our last one of the day. To a group, it's vuélvanse. Use it when you're taking a photo and you want the person to look at you. Vuélvete hacia la cámara. Turn and look at the camera. Or you can use it to get somebody's attention. Vuélvete. Te estoy hablando. Turn around. I'm talking to you. Okay, let's move on to a little practice session together. I'll create some real life situations for you and then you pause the video and say the best command for the situation. All right, are you ready? All right, here's the first situation. Your friend is playing music that's just a little too loud. Pause the video and say the right command. Bájale. The next scenario. You're leading a group tour. Pause the video. Síganme. How about number 3? Your siblings are making a ton of noise while you're trying to study your Spanish. Pause the video. What can you say? Cállense. How about this one? Your friend is getting really worked up or angry about something small. Pause the video here. Tranquilízate. All right, and number 5. You're running late for a movie. What could you say to your friend? Apúrate. Increíble. You've just learned 20 powerful Spanish commands that native speakers use every day. Remember, context is key when using these correctly. The tone of your voice can change the word from a gentle correction to a harsh command. Don't forget about our sponsor, the Air Learn Languages app. It's an excellent resource to reinforce what you've learned today in this video and to continue expanding your Spanish skills. Here are some key points to remember today from our video. Commands commands change forms just slightly when you're talking to a group. You have to add an N and change the vowel. Your tone matters just as much as the word. These commands are informal, so use them with friends and family. And finally, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you never miss a Spanish lesson. Next week, we'll be looking at how to combine these commands with even more words to create powerful phrases in Spanish. Thanks for watching, amigos. If you're serious about improving your language skills, I have a great resource for you to try. Check out the Unacademy Languages app. It offers a wide range of lessons from beginner to advanced with native speaker audio and interactive lessons. To learn more, click on the link in the description below. It's a great complement to the tips and the strategies that we discuss in this channel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego!